What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today my voice still isn't 100%, but we're gonna get out here and try to find some fish here in the creek. Checking out a different stretch of creek connected to the one we went to last week. Just trying to see what's out here, just picking away. So we are in the middle of the turnaround point, so I have found a couple. So come along and see what we got already. And I'm trying to find at least one more. So hold on tight, guys. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go see if we can catch some fish. Oh wow. Log's been shifted. Interesting. Water still seems, I can't tell if the water seems high or if just all the rocks shifted. There's a lot of stuff shifted with the flooding. But let's go see if I can get one cast in. First snag. We got ourselves free. Here, try this out. There's one of the rock bass, I think. Ooh. There we go, got some bites. Man, there's a bunch of bites up there. Traveled almost this whole little trip and finally found some bites, maybe. Alright, we'll change this out to a fresh one. I don't think it really is gonna matter, but I know this one's probably got all the smell good. All smell good pulled off of it. So, be right back. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. First fish. First fish. First fish. It's good. Good sized fish. Oh man, make sure I'm recording. All right. Yes. All righty. There we go. There we go. Good sized smallie. Awesome. There we go. Goodness. I'm going to this for a while. We'll check the clock here in a minute. But there we go. Beautiful smallie. Awesome. Good size. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for biting. I'll say we've been fishing for probably an hour and 15 minutes from what I can tell on the clock. Finally got our first fish. We're almost to the turnaround spot where usually it's pretty productive. So might get a couple more, be able to finish off this day with a 3 catch limit. Maybe more. Oh. Oh, there we go. Number 2. Oh yeah, about the same size as that other one. Oh, he got off. Rats. Going to the spot. 1.5 down. Oh, I had a bite. Man. Yeah, this whole section right here used to be just like a little rock peninsula. Made it really easy to see where it was. But not like it's that way anymore. So, oops. There we go. This place probably has a lot of snags on it. is probably not a rock snag either. It's probably a tree limb snag, so it's probably going to get broke off. Dang. Oh, maybe got off. See, on a better angle. Okay, and got a fish. Rock bass, probably. Oh, no, no smallmouth. 2 on the day. Alright. Such a cool little pool, man. I wish I owned this house that's behind me. Beautiful little smallmouth. Thank you for biting, buddy. 2 down. 1 more to go. Ow, it's right there biting it. Look at that. Pulled it off. Someone just sitting right there tugging at it. So we have a few more casts around here, and then we're gonna start working our way back. I think we're cutting it on time. Hopefully we can get 1 more on the way back. There's only a few spots that I know of that are as productive as this one. But it is interesting to see that this kind of area is kind of spread out and got a little bit bigger as far as productivity wise. All right, realists, that's going to wind it up for today. Got more than we had last time, but the creeks are still kind of picking up. Like I said, we did have that snow, cold weather blast come through, so we wasn't expecting much. Luckily, we got down to that 1 spot, turnaround, found a couple, almost got a 3rd. But we're gonna do a couple more casts on the way out here on the one side. And if we catch anything, you'll see it in a minute. If not, hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.